Hi, this is Alan Cowgill, and I am so excited that I've been invited back to speak at your I've been there before. This one's going to be virtual, and I can't wait. It's Saturday, the 13th, June 13th, and it's going to rock. You know, there's four parts of a real estate deal at the very, very top level, at the pinnacle. Number one is you got to find a property that makes sense. You're looking for a motivated seller. And then you got to fund the deal. After that, you typically enhance the value. You rehab it and retail it, or maybe you keep it long term. But number three is cleaning up the property, and then number four out there is either selling it or keeping it long term. Like I said, you know, if you can't get by the second item of funding this business, that is a showstopper. And what I teach is at the very top level, at the pinnacle. I teach how people can get private money lenders to fund their deals. And I found it to be the best, easiest, cheapest way to fund your deals. And that's what I'm going to come in for Saturday virtually and do that training. I've got an incredible private money event for you. If you don't know what private money is, that's okay. That's why I'm doing the teaching. If you have private money, you need to show up because I'm going to teach some legal stuff that you need to know. Now, it's going to go from 9 to 1. But up there you see I'm going to take a break partway through. I wanted to tell you what I want to do in the first part and what I do in the second part here on the next slide. So between 9 and 10:30 to 11, I'm going to talk about using private money on deals. How do you structure the deals? Short sales and subject to, and show you how I had that work out. I have another item I wanted to share with you. It's how to buy 5 to 7 properties a month with virtually no research and definitely no marketing cost. I want you to think about that. Read those last two bullet points there. Virtually no research and no marketing cost, and buying 5 to 7 properties a month. It's an incredible system. I'll walk you through it step by step. Be ready for that. And obviously, we're buying properties there with private money, and that's how you can ratchet up your business. I'll give you some examples on how I use the money, and also I'll go through 5 steps to wealth, and then some more private money insights before we take a break. Now, once we take a break, I want you to be prepared to ask questions. Since we're all online, you can fill out a little box there and send it in as I'm teaching when something hits you. And then what I'll do is I'll answer everybody's questions. It will take a short break, maybe 10 minutes or so, and then I'm going to get right back into it. The rest of the day, just like a sporting event, right after that break, I'm going to get into the rule book. And there's nobody on planet Earth teaching that at my level. I will teach you the rules for your state. So I've been taught by an attorney what the rules are in every single state. So I will teach you the ones for your state. I'm going to give you my scripts. In fact, I found that that's the hardest thing for folks to do, is to figure out what to say to private lenders. How about if I just give you my scripts and let you use mine? I'll give you those, and you'll love that. And then there's 3 things that's going to blow you away of your business that are out of order, and you don't think it's out of order because you see it as just a way of life, just how things have to be. Well, they don't have to be that way. And when I show you that, I'll get these 3 steps out of order, and when I show you how to put them in order, um, it'll amaze you, and you will be so appreciative. It'll be something that'll stick with you forever, forever. Well, it's Saturday, June 13th, like I said. It's going to go from 9 to 1:30. And here you want to go to reintn.org/calendar. www.reintn.org/calendar. How about if you just take a screenshot of that? You go out to your RIA's website, and there'll be a place out there. If you put calendar in, then you'll drop right in on the page where you can get registered. Well, mark it in your calendar, mark the date, and get ready for it. Be ready to learn. It's gonna rock, and to your wealth.